In this video, let us learn what is cosine rule. For that, let's draw any general triangle. Let's say this vertex is capital A, this vertex is capital B, and this vertex is capital C. Now let's say the side opposite to angle A is small a, side opposite to angle B is small b, and side opposite to angle C is small c. After that, let us draw one perpendicular from vertex C on opposite side, that is side AB. Now this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. Let's say this point is capital P. Now in right angled triangle APC, we can write the cosine ratio as cos of A is equal to adjacent side AP over this hypotenuse, which is B. This implies AP is equal to B cos A. Similarly, in right angled triangle BPC, what we can write? We can write this cosine ratio cos B as adjacent side is PB over this hypotenuse is A. This implies PB is equal to A cos B. Now by using Pythagoras theorem in right angled triangle BPC, we can write hypotenuse square A square is equal to CP square, that is height square, plus base square, base is PB square. This is equal to CP square, write it as it is, and this PB can be written as AB minus AP, AB minus AP whole square. Therefore, this is equal to CP square plus AB square minus 2AB into AP plus AP square. Now, in right angled triangle APC, this is CP square plus AP square. This together can be written as B square. Now, what are the terms left? AB square. AB is C, as we know, value of AB is C, minus 2 into AB is C, and AP is B cos A, B cos A, and this left hand side is A square. Now let us arrange terms in proper sequence. A square, therefore A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Similarly, we can write B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos of B, and C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos of C. This is what cosine rule. This is what cosine rule. I hope you must have understood this video. That's it for this video. We will meet again in the next video with another concept or problem. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.